Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Cars Review, your trusted channel for the latest car updates and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs of all time, the 2025 BMW X5, a blend of elegance, power, and advanced technology that truly sets the benchmark for premium SUVs. Starting with the exterior, the new X5 commands attention with its bold kidney grille, sharper LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that create a strong road presence. BMW has added new paint options and 21-inch alloy wheels that give the SUV a modern, sporty vibe. Moving inside, the interior is pure luxury. You're greeted by a massive curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one sleek unit. The cabin feels incredibly premium. Soft leather seats, ambient lighting, and real wood or aluminum finishes give you a true first-class experience. And yes, there's also a panoramic glass roof that fills the cabin with light, enhancing the sense of space. Under the hood, the X5 xDrive 40i features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with a mild hybrid system producing around 381 horsepower. It delivers a smooth yet powerful performance, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5.4 seconds. There's also the X5 xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid, offering electric range and efficiency with strong performance, perfect for those who want power without sacrificing fuel economy. The driving experience remains one of the best in its class. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and balance, whether you're on city roads or open highways. The suspension setup absorbs bumps effortlessly while